In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Now tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and tap on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now to change placement of any of those, click on those three dots next to the chosen one and tap on Move Up or Move Down. To get rid of any of them from emergency contact list, not your smartphone, use the same three dots and hit Remove. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Before exiting those settings, make sure to hit Change Settings at the bottom and check if Show When Locked is enabled. This feature is super important because if it's not enabled, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So when you finished, you can finally go back, and to check if all of your contacts were successfully added, switch off your screen, turn it back on and swipe up to hit Emergency at the bottom on the left. Then hold this blue button and swipe it to the right. As you can see, my emergency contacts were successfully added. All of yours should be here as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!